Hello friends. At first let's see the political map of Asia. A political map shows the government borders of the countries, states, capitals and major cities. Now let's see the physical map of Asia. A physical map shows the geographical features of an area like mountains, deserts, rivers, etc. Asia continent is the largest among all the 7 continents. Asia covers an area of nearly 4 crore 45 lakh square kilometers. Asia continent makes up about 29.5% of Earth's total land area and 8.7% of the Earth's total surface area. 59.76% of world's population live in Asia, which makes it most populous continent. Population living in this continent is 4.7 billion. That is 472 crore. The population density of Asia is 150 people per square kilometers. The equator, Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle passes through Asia continent. Asia is bounded on the east by the Pacific Ocean, on the south by the Indian Ocean and on the north by the Arctic Ocean and the Red Sea and as well as the inland seas of the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea to the southwest. Now let's see the boundary between Asia and Africa. So the boundary between Asia and Africa is the Red Sea, the Gulf of Suez and the Suez Canal. Now let's see the boundary between Asia and Europe. Here Asia is separated from Europe in the west by the Ural Mountains, the Caspian Sea, the Caucasus Mountains and the Black Sea. Now the boundary between Asia and Oceania. The border is usually placed somewhere in Malay Archipelago. The Molucas Islands in Indonesia are considered to lie on the border of Southeast Asia, with the New Guinea to the east of the islands being wholly part of Oceania. Let's see the boundary between Asia and North America. Asia is separated from North America by the Bering Strait and the Bering Sea, as well as forming the international boundary between Russia and USA. Asia has the largest coastline with 39,000 miles, that is 62,800 kilometers in length. There are 49 countries in Asia, also with other partially recognized countries which are non-UN members. There are 12 landlocked countries in Asia. Landlocked countries means those countries which are entirely surrounded by land. That is, they do not have any coastline. Those countries are Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bhutan, Laos, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Nepal, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan, among which Kyrgyzstan is the largest landlocked country. And Kyrgyzstan is also world's largest landlocked country. China is the most populous country. There are 2 countries in the world which has population over 1 billion, that is 100 crore, and both are in Asia, which are China and Bharat. Asia's richest country is Singapore. Asia's largest island is Borneo. The only country in Asia that is located entirely in the southern hemisphere is Indonesia. Largest city in Asia is Tokyo. Largest river in Asia is the Yangtze River, which is 6,300 kilometers long and flows in China. World's largest lake, Caspian Sea, is in Asia, and it is also the world's largest salty lake. The lake is called sea because of its big size and its saltiness. World's deepest lake, Baikal Lake, is in Asia. Baikal Lake is also world's largest freshwater lake. Largest desert of Asia is the Arabian Desert. The Himalayas in Asia has the tallest mountain range in the world. Asia has the both world's highest and lowest points compared to other continents. Highest point of Asia is the Mount Everest with a height of 8,849 meters. Lowest point of Asia is the Dead Sea with a lowest point of minus 437 meters. Tallest building of Asia is the Burj Khalifa, which is 828 meters tall. It is also the world's tallest building. Tallest statue of Asia is the Statue of Unity. which is 182 meters tall and 240 meters tall from the base. It is also the world's tallest statue. Asia's coldest region is Verkhoyansk in Russia, with the lowest temperature ever recorded was -67.5 degrees Celsius. Asia's hottest place is Tirat Jvi in Israel and Ahvaz in Iran, and the highest ever temperature recorded here was 54.0 degrees Celsius. Asia's driest place is Aden in Yemen, with 45.7 millimeters of rain falling a year on average. Asia's wettest place is Mawsynram, with mean annual rainfall of 1187 centimeters. It is located in Meghalaya, Bharat. It is also world's wettest place. Largest canyon of Asia is the Yarlung Zangpo. Asia's tallest dam is Jinping I Dam, which is 305 meters in height. It is located in China. It is also world's tallest dam. Asia's longest dam is Hirakud Dam, which is 25.7 kilometers long. It is located in Bharat. It is also world's longest dam. Largest volcano of Asia is the Mount Damavand, with a height of 5,609 meters. It is located in Iran. See you again in the next video. Thank you.